Let's take a look at this Worth It series. This is the Victorinox Clippers. Costs around 590 rupees or $9 or so. I've been using these for 5 years. I reviewed this in 2014. I'll put a link to the video in the description. And I've been using this ever since. I really didn't expect it to last this long. It still looks brand new. That's how it opens up. This is the nail file. I haven't used it much, but I use the clippers every 2 weeks. It's still really sharp, and when you're done you can close it and it becomes really portable and easy to store. After every use I wash it with water and store it away. So far I don't see any rust on it. It's really well made. Before buying this, I used to get those cheap nail cutters which cost 60 to 100 rupees or $1 to $2. They usually don't last more than 6 months. This actually costs 10 times more. It has lasted me 5 years. Looks like it's good for another 5. These are really nice nail clippers. Totally worth it. As you can see, quite nice. Check it out.